Good morning, students. I hope everybody is safe at home. Today, I'm going to discuss how to remain focused or how to improve concentration. If you follow all these steps, then I'm sure it will definitely help you in your academic improvement. So please listen it carefully and try to incorporate these ideas in your daily life. Let's discuss how to improve concentration or how to remain focused. The first point is place of study or environment. Ensure that your place of study should be should not be having any screen. That means mobile, laptop, or comics. Nowadays, due to online teaching, you can use mobile or laptops for getting lesson from your teacher. But when you revise for recapitulation purpose, you should not be having all these distractive devices like mobile phone, laptops, comics, etc. Second important point is don't study on bed because our mind, which is just work like just like computer, relates bed with sleep. And don't change the place of study frequently because if you fix your place, so your mind will relate that particular place with study. So this is the first point. That means place of study and environment. Have goal in mind. You should be able to draw a timetable, a study timetable, and you increase the time gradually so that you can work accordingly and plan as per your subject. Have variety of subjects. Normally, it has been observed, especially in senior students, they tend to study a subject for 2 3 days. So sometimes for a few, this strategy may work, but for most of the students, if you study different subject different time, because some subject you find it easy, some subject you find it hard. So by varying the subjects, you can plan your study accordingly. Regular breaks is very important. Normally, it has been seen that if you study for 25 minutes, then you should have 5 minute break. Or if you are studying continuously for 50 minutes, then you should have 10-minute break. This break, 5 minute or 10 minute, it can be used for refresh your mind. You can take a walk, you can sip water, you can listen one song, so that just to refresh your mind. Don't study for long hours. It's of no use. Most of the times पेरेंट्स हैव कंप्लेन टू मी कि मेरा बच्चा जो है काफ़ी टाइम तक बैठा रहता है बट फिर भी नंबर नहीं आते. So it's not about कि how many hours you are studying, how many hours you are holding the book. It is the quality, not the quantity of number of hours that you are devoting. So have 5 oblique 10 minute break depending for 25 or 50 minute study time. And study for the sake of study. Most of the students, which I have seen that they study for the sake of examination, whether it's a Monday test or unit test for the examination. Because the study, in the 11th hour, so then you get stress. So to avoid stress, one should be regular. Regular study is must. So if you studying daily, then there is no worry regarding unit test or Monday test. And don't just study for the sake of examination. Ki tomorrow we examination or after 2 days, I must study to get the examination, to get the marks. So you might get marks, but the real purpose of education will be defeated. You should be very clear ki why you are studying. Uh, this is very vague explanation ki to get marks. So the thing you should be very clear depending on your class. Ki like if you are in junior classes, so first your aim is you want which stream you want to take in the 11th standard, humanities, commerce, or science. Or if you're in senior classes, 11 and 12, so in which career you want to go. You want to join NDA, you want to go for medical, you want to go for lawyer, you want to go for any fashion designing course, you want to become uh, CA. So there are so many things are there. And just to remind yourself, as I said, mind is a machine. So you can mention these reasons, on a slip, and you can paste on the front wall or you can paste on your study table. Because when you see that slip n number of time in a day, then it will remain in your subconscious mind. That goal will remain in your subconscious mind, and you will be able to justify your study hours. So you should be very clear ki why you are studying for a great purpose. Take leverage like reward or punish your right or wrong behavior. The punishment or rewarding means ki that means if you follow your study schedule, and you are happy ki yeah, I have covered so many chapters which I decided, then you must reward yourself. You must take like let's say 10 minute off, you can like, okay, I will play 5 minutes, use mobile phone for 5 more minutes, let me go, let me check my WhatsApp message, okay, for senior students, or let me have ice cream. But if you don't follow the schedule, if you don't follow your study hours, then you must punish yourself. Punishment does not mean that the physical punishment. That means, okay, today I didn't follow the schedule, so tomorrow I will not have my favorite dish, tomorrow I will not have my the favorite food, yeah, I will not listen my favorite song. So this kind of reward or procedure of rewarding punishment, so it will help you in following your schedule. So reward your right behavior and punish the wrong behavior, not in physical terms, but divide yourself from your favorite activity. Most of the students find that the few topics are easy to understand and there are few topics which are hard to understand. The researchers have proved that in morning after 1 hour you wake up, the concentration is very high, and similarly just 1 hour before the sleep time. So I advise you to take the hardest topic at that time, because if you study at that time, then you might devote more time for that, but it will be easier in your mind, subconscious mind, ki, okay, now I have covered the hard topics, now only the easy topics are left. But most of the students, they do this mistake, ki they study easy topic first, and then for the hard topic they say, okay, no time is left, then they just flip the pages and then leave that hard topic. So my advice is, first take care of hard topics, and once you cover the hard topics, you might take long hours for that, but you will be happy कि you have covered that hard topic. And when you are happy, then it will be easier to plan for the other topics. And the last one is no change in biological clock. This you already know that, but most of us we don't follow. Have balanced diet, have all meals on time, have particular 8 hours sleep, so that your mind is fresh, your body is relaxed, and little bit exercise every day. So if you follow that schedule, because when you're studying, so your physical and the mental state both are involved. So for that, the intake, the energy, which is your food, that has to be balanced diet. Because if you have balanced food, you have all meals, all grains, which are nutrients, which are responsible for your healthy physical being, then your mind, which get energy from the food that you eat, that will be healthy, and it will be easier for you to revise, to comprehend all these concepts. So I hope students, you will take care of all these points, and all the best for your studies, and study hard during this time. Take advantage from your subject teachers via WhatsApp message or by call. Don't think in during this situation we all are with you, but